How to make mouse wheel to scroll control under mouse cursor. Currently, mouse wheel scrolls the control that has keyboard focus. That's not good when window has several scrollable controls, because I have to click control first and then scroll. And the same again when trying to scroll another control. Especially bad when that control has some action associated with click, like MSDN's article list, it opens new article on click. So, is there any tool to fix mouse scroll behavior?
Check out Cat Mouse. I think this will do what you want.
Try with mouse. Just some software I came across. Haven't tried it though, but the comments on it seem good.
Windows 10 now adds such an option to the modern UI control panel under Input. It does not make the scroll wheel work over combo boxes though, like Cat Mouse or Always Mouse Wheel would do.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.